This page of illustrations is so random. How did I say it? So random. So actually, I often draw a lot of really random things. If you've ever watched any of my infinite zoom videos, they're pretty random. Like, why is there a carrot and a beaver, a snail with a rock for a shell? That's besides the point. I'm gonna show you in this video how I made these. Maybe you will learn something, but there's a good chance you won't. I made them with something called Sumi Ink. Maybe you've heard of Sumi Ink. I didn't know what it was before. Maybe you want to give Sumi Ink a try, or maybe you don't and you just want to watch a nice, relaxing art video. Can't guarantee this is going to be relaxing. Yeah, I'm going to do this guy, the pumpkin guy, and this little Sherlock Holmes acorn. I'm really bad at remembering the names of things. Maybe you're here for the art. Maybe you're here because you have nothing else to do. You should get something to do. Don't watch this. No, do watch this. Thank you for watching this and like this video. And you should subscribe to my channel. How are you supposed to showcase your art? Ew, gross. But I promise, this is a video. And I got a new mic, it's pretty good. All right, so welcome to the voiceover part of the video, and it's also the part where I'm showing you the Sumi Ink. This is Sumi Ink. I have two small palettes by this company called Japanesque. I quite enjoy them, and I use them quite a bit. I will link all of that in the description box of this video. But what is Sumi Ink? Well, it's made from soot and glue. It's actually, there's different forms of Sumi Ink. Some people use it, the most traditional form is it comes actually in like a stick or like a block, and you rub that on a stone and then it makes a liquid whatever, and then you paint with it. I don't have the stick. You can still buy that form too. It comes in black and red and maybe blue, I think. These are obviously more like a watercolor palette. Yeah, but it's not watercolor. Some people call it Japanese watercolor. I feel it's quite different, but yet it's so similar, very similar. It's not as translucent as watercolor, and yeah, but there's a third type as well of Sumi Ink where it's a liquid, and that is my favorite kind. It's the kind that really explodes when you have pure black Sumi Ink on your brush and you put that on paper, on water, sorry. It just explodes. It's not like an explosion, but like on the paper. I love it, and it just has this depth to it when it's finished. I have made other videos about that if you guys are interested, and I definitely will make more. I plan on making more. That is the liquid form right there. You can see it. So depthy, and no, that's not a word. I just want to say it. Super depthy. It's got a lot of depth. I love that ink. If you guys ever get the opportunity to try it, it's super cheap. It lasts a million years. No, okay, I haven't tested a million years, but it lasts a pretty long time. I love testing out new art supplies because it's enjoyable to test out new things. I feel like it kind of teaches me new aspects of art, and yet there's so many aspects of art I don't know. I don't really know color theory. Anybody who knows color theory and they're looking at this right now, they're like, yeah, she don't know. It's okay. I just try and do my best. And that's what I want other people to do too. That's actually why I make these videos. Because, oh, those are the pens. Okay, I'm sidetracked here. These pens, you guys, they're super, super cheap, and conspiracy theory, I think they're filled with Sumi Ink. I think. Watch, they're probably like clearly advertised as it, but I've never actually seen it. I'll link those as well. They're really cheap for a big pack of these pens, and I love them. I do a lot of doodles and sketchbook stuff with these pens. They're the best. Back to what I was talking about, color theory. Is that what I was talking about? I hope so. I don't know color theory. I just wing it. Yeah. Anyways. So we're getting close to being finished. The pumpkin guy, I was just gonna add with this little jelly roll pen, some white for his mouth, his teeth-ish area. He turned out pretty cute. And then we go straight into the acorn, which concept, love. So cute. Adorable. I can't, can't talk. Adorable. Execution, it's not what I was totally going for. I don't entirely know what I was going for, but not how it turned out. Is very, very muted. It's very, very earthy how it looks in the end. I have a feeling that this is not the last time I'm going to try and make a Sherlock Inspector acorn. I actually did another one in an infinite zoom with digital art, and he's pretty cute too. But anyways, this part of the video is the part where I'm gonna leave you to it. But I'll be back to talk at the end. But I'm gonna let you just watch and enjoy the acorn guy and how he comes together. So yes, I will just give you a minute or so, and then I'm gonna talk to you again. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, is it safe to come back now? I'm gonna talk to you again. I'm gonna talk to you about this acorn guy. He turned out okay. My friends and family say I'm never allowed to put down my art, so he's the best. But in my heart, I will change things when I try and do the drawing again in the future. But anyways, I'm hoping that this gives you a general idea of what you can do with Sumi Ink. And truly, this is the tip of the iceberg. I think there are so many cool things, especially with the liquid ink. I'm telling you, that stuff is so cool. Clearly, I have an obsession with that. So there's more things like that in store for you guys. And of course, more infinite zooms. I'll be making those as well. Yeah, So there you have it. Thank you guys. You stayed all the way to the end of this video. That's weird. Just kidding. Give it a like and a comment if you like. You don't have to. And subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned because I've got more things to share with you. Bye.